You scroll past hundreds of ads every day, but then you stop for the page that actually teaches you something. Most of the time, small businesses, when they're creating content online, it feels like an ad. And I already see enough ads online, and I don't want to follow pages that feel like an ad. I help businesses create educational content online. And the thing about educational content is that it doesn't feel like an ad. When you create content that gives your viewers value, it builds your brand identity, it gives you authority in that space, and it builds trust. Even if you don't decide to go with me for this service, I hope that this video kind of gives you some insights. Typically, I send my clients 20 questions every month. My team researches what questions are people asking in this space. What do people already want to know? I send these questions to you 2 weeks in advance. You're able to look at these questions for a couple weeks, kind of ponder on them for a little bit. And then after 2 weeks, I show up with the video equipment and we create content of you answering those questions. A lot of people freeze up when they get in front of the camera, or they stumble over the words.
We are a mobile service, mobile detail service. We provide
Right from the beginning, right from the top. It's all good.
Camera is the one that's throwing.
I know, it always, right? That's a part of the process. We work with you to get you comfortable and confident in front of the camera. We also capture B-roll of your space, of your service, of your product. That way, when we go into editing, it's not just you talking with the camera. We cut in footage of the service, of the product. And the great thing about working together is that we build out a library of this B-roll footage. And that allows us to make more complex and more intricate edits. It's 5 hours, 2 hours of shooting and 3 hours of editing. Depending on how confident and comfortable you are in front of the camera, that can end up being a month's worth of content online. I've worked with dozens of small businesses. I've experimented with different types of content, and I found that this is what works best. Since I'm directing, I'm able to guide you through that process. I'm going to be editing this footage, so I kind of have a good idea of what I'm looking for. Let me show you an example of what a shoot would look like. I go to the location, I set up the equipment. This is their first time doing anything like this, and that's okay. I work with them.
If you say something that sounds a little bit like incorrect or whatever, or it could be worded in a different way, I'll let you know. But
Thank you, sir.
you are flowing. You're on it.
I really appreciate
You strike the vein, a gold mine.
Oh, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much.
I get them confident in front of the camera. I capture the B-roll, and then after that, I edit the footage. The majority of the people that I've worked with are super happy with the results. And that's why I offer a no-risk guarantee. I'll send you the questions, I'll come shoot the footage, I'll edit the footage, I'll present it to you, and if you don't love the results, you don't pay anything. There's literally no risk with this. People like this type of content. People love learning things online. It helps build your brand, and it gives you more authority in that space. You have nothing to lose. If you're ready to try this out, you can book a call with me on my website. I'm looking forward to working together.